To check your laptop's battery health using a built-in Windows tool, the first thing you want to do is click on the Start button, then type command prompt. Open the command prompt as an administrator. Type the following command: power cfg/battery reports. Press enter, and then you should see a message such as this: battery life reports saved to 5 parts, c/windows/system32/battery reports. So on your file explorer, you want to locate these parts. To do that, I would have to open up my file explorer, open up the C drive, click on Windows, click on Systems32. Now I have to look for battery reports.html, or on the search bar here at the top right corner of the screen, you could just search using the battery keyword, and you find the reports here, battery report. Double click on it to open it on your browser. On the battery report page, you're going to see computer name, system, product name, BIOS, and some other information. Scroll down to the installed batteries section. There are two important values you want to look out for. The first one is the design capacity. This is the battery's original capacity when it was new. And the other one is the full charge capacity, which is the maximum charge the battery can currently hold. What you want to do now is compare the two numbers. If the design capacity is around 50,000 or slightly above 50,000 megawatts, and the full charge capacity is, say, something around 46,000 megawatts, this means the battery is still in good condition. But as you can see, mine is 36,683 megawatts. Not too bad anyway, but just gives you an idea of the health of your battery. At this point, you can tell that your battery life is getting down already. If the full charge capacity is much lower than the design capacity, the battery has degraded over time. The next thing you want to check is recent usage. This shows when the battery was in use and when it was charging. We also have battery usage, which displays how much battery was consumed over time. The next thing you want to look at is also battery capacity history. The battery capacity history section shows how the battery capacity has changed over time. And lastly, the next thing you want to check is the battery life estimate. At the bottom of the report, you will find a battery life estimate which compare your current battery life to what it was expected to deliver when new. And a small trick to help you: if you found this daunting and you don't seem to understand, what I usually would do is I'll just generally copy the entire info on this page and then go to Claude or Gemini, paste it on either of these tools, and tell it this is the report from your Windows battery life, that you would want it to summarize the state of your battery using these reports or something like that, and it will break it down for you and explain it in such a way that you can easily understand. If you found this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video.